Hi guys, it's Jennifer from PIPS TV. Today we're going to study will. Will is a modal verb, so we have the structure. Let's go through some short forms as below. Won't, are, will, he'll, shall. There are four main ways to use will. Firstly, will is used when the decision is immediate, no plan before. Secondly, will is used to make predictions about the future. Thirdly, will is used to make requests, invitations, promises, and refusals. And finally, will is used in the main clause of a conditional sentence when we talk about possible situations in the future. Now let's get started. I will help you. I will help you. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'll go to bed early this evening. I'll go to bed early this evening. You will know the result this afternoon. You will know the result this afternoon. We will go to Tokyo this summer. We will go to Tokyo this summer. He will see the doctor on Tuesday. He will see the doctor on Tuesday. It will be very difficult for us. It will be very difficult for us. I'll pick you up at 8 p.m. I'll pick you up at 8 p.m. I'll be 40 years old next month. I'll be 40 years old next month. I'll be at home on Friday. I'll be at home on Friday. I'll open the door for you. I'll open the door for you. They will call you in 15 minutes. They will call you in 15 minutes. He will visit his parents next weekend. He will visit his parents next weekend. She will get married next year. She will get married next year. Peter will be here in 30 minutes. Peter will be here in 30 minutes. That will be $200. That will be $200. That will be interesting. That will be interesting. That will be very nice for you. That will be very nice for you. I promise I'll love you forever. I promise I'll love you forever. I promise I'll study hard. I promise I'll study hard. I swear I'll never cheat on you again. I swear I'll never cheat on you again. I think that we will pass the exam. I think that we will pass the exam. She thinks it will rain heavily tonight. She thinks it will rain heavily tonight. If you smile, other people will be happy. If you smile, other people will be happy. If he really needs me, I'll help him. If he really needs me, I'll help him. If it's sunny, we will go climbing. If it's sunny, we will go climbing. If it stops raining, they will go to the zoo. If it stops raining, they will go to the zoo. I'll kiss you if you kiss me. I'll kiss you if you kiss me. I'll take my umbrella if it rains. I'll take my umbrella if it rains. I will not forget your birthday. I will not forget your birthday. I won't never leave you. I won't never leave you. I won't come to your house tomorrow. I won't come to your house tomorrow. I won't be able to attend the meeting. I won't be able to attend the meeting. I promise I won't tell this to anyone. I promise I won't tell this to anyone. He won't play football next weekend. He won't play football next weekend. She won't tell you her secrets. She won't tell you her secrets. Will you help me? Will you help me? Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Will you be here long? Will you be here long? Will you watch the movie? Will you watch the movie? Will you meet him the day after tomorrow? Will you meet him the day after tomorrow? Will you help me to clean the house? Will you help me to clean the house? Will you be all right here? Will you be all right here? Will you send me the bill, please? Will you send me the bill, please? Will you close the window? Will you close the window? Will you work with me here? Will you work with me here? Will you take a look for me? Will you take a look for me? Will you let me out? Will you let me out? Will you explain this to the children? Will you explain this to the children? Will they arrive on time? Will they arrive on time? Will he fly to New York next week? Will he fly to New York next week? Will she learn English this weekend? Will she learn English this weekend? What will you drink? What will you drink? What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? What will people think about it? What will people think about it? What time will we be boarding? What time will we be boarding? What will the weather be like tomorrow? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? Where will you be on Saturday? Where will you be on Saturday? When will you come here tomorrow? When will you come here tomorrow? How will you be paying? How will you be paying? How will you send the flowers? How will you send the flowers? How long will it take? How long will it take? How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying? How many people will be there now? How many people will be there now? And this is the end of the video today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. I see you next time. Goodbye.